Hello Logan, thanks for clicking on by, and today an unboxing of UltraHuman. Did you know that there's another smart ring company and they send out sizing kits so you get just the right ring? Because if the ring is, too loose, yeah, that's not going to work. If it's too tight, yeah, it's just not going to work. Let's see what UltraHuman is all about and is a smart ring for you. We're going to make a really big incision and throw that away. UltraHuman, that's awesome. Widescreen view. And yes, why would you want to watch my video? Well, this will be my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, my 8th smart ring. So nice packaging, UH-Rask. Cool. Okay, let's zoom in. My desk is a little messy. It's a sign of creativity. And no, Kershaw is not a sponsor of this video, but my good friend Jeff gifted me this knife. Thanks, Jeff. Oh, one more. You guys hear that cool sound? Make a small incision. Just gonna keep that knife out just for a little longer. Oh, nice presentation. Yes. Zoom out. Oh, yeah. UltraHuman Ring Air sizing kit. I do like black, and I can recycle that box. Very nice. I like nice designs. I like emboss logos. One more sticker. And then here we go. Ready? Oh, little magnet case. Yes, very nice. Download the latest UltraHuman app from the App Store or Play Store. Try a sample ring, wear it overnight. Figure out what size is comfortable for you. Scan the QR code. Don't discard this kit. Ring sizing kit serves as physical referral coupon. Cool. Whoa, a size 6. Now, where have I seen a sizing kit like this before? Allow me to pontificate. Oh yeah, got one from Circular last year. This is my 4th sizing kit from Oura Ring, Paris, France, Finland. You know, I should know this. I don't know the headquarters for UltraHuman, but I will find out and I will throw that on the screen right now. So we have the sizing kit. This is one of the largest sizing kits I've received. Now, definitely Circular is the thickest, and this one's kind of right in between, but like surface-wise, yeah, nice big box. Sorry, Malakwa, knife safety. I normally wear a size 11 or 12, so I'm gonna skip the size 6 because I'll be honest, that looks like a pinky ring, and wow, that's really in there. We'll try a size 10, and normally they recommend that you wear these rings on the index finger. Negative, Ghost Rider. Yep, that's not gonna work. Okay, we're skipping to a size 11, and I'll get out a size 12. All right, so we're gonna go with an 11. Ooh, okay, that feels pretty good. Really good on my left index. Size 12. You know, I have to be honest, this is the tricky thing, because right now I would say my fingers, my little sausages, are at a normal, what's the word? Plumage? No, that's not the right word, not plumage. A normal size, because I haven't been working out. But as soon as I start running, my fingers are going to swell up and then this size 11 is going to be really tight. But then at night when you sleep, or when your hands get really cold during the winter shoveling snow, they fall off. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to wear both tonight, and then I'll piggyback them with my other rings, which are not part of this video. And to be honest, I'm going to take off this flaming red Garmin Instinct 2X Solar, and I'm going to take off the Ocean Blue T-Rex 2, because these gorgeous watches are not part of the video. All right, now technologically I'm naked, which feels nice. I don't get naked for just any video. Yeah, boy, you know, if the rings are this smooth, look at that. Oh, that's nice. I'm going to be very happy. Now, if I wanted to replace my wedding ring, either a size 10 or this size 9. Nope, 9 would be too tight. Wouldn't be able to get it off after a workout. Yes, I like the way they look. They did a good job on the presentation. I'm not going to compare these to the sizing kits of Aura or Circular at this time, just because. But just trust me, for a sizing kit, good job. Good job, UltraHuman. QR code, nice presentation. Okay, it doesn't smell like raspberries or lilac, but it's not, doesn't smell like Big O tires either. That would be cool if you could add a scent, maybe Drakkar Noir, maybe the ocean. Could you make the boxes smell like the ocean? That would be cool. All right, so per instructions, I will wear these and I will submit my order. So far, really good process. Went online, placed the old order, talked to the customer service, asked some questions, boom. A few days later, I get the UltraHuman sizing kit, and then I'll be ordering either a size 11 or 10. I highly recommend, not just overnight, wear it for full 24 hours. Wear it while you're working out and see if it's going to work on that finger you want to wear it on. Yeah. Wow. I wonder if this is the exact weight. I hope so. I think it is, because I think that's what those other people do. Well, thank you so much for watching, and thanks for sending me the free sizing kit. I look forward to being UltraHuman, learning more about my sleep patterns, my heart rate, and all that good stuff that comes with technology. It does a whole lot more, but I apologize. It's been a long day of testing, and it is almost 8 p.m., so I'm going to call it a night. Thanks for watching. I'll have more about the UltraHuman Ring Air very soon. So, you know what to do if you want to see more. You the clicky stuff. See you soon. Goodbye.